no anxiety, no depression can disturb your sleep if you will learn this series of pranayama and practice every day. Every night before you go to bed, 15 minutes before, open this video, practice with me the way I'm instructing, and sleep after that right away. If you just practice 10 days, you will see the miracle. Those who are having short sleep, can't sleep, disturbed sleep, every morning you wake up with low energy, with low motivation, you need preparation at night. You need deep sleep. So if you want that, let's practice from today with me. Get ready. Sit with closed eyes in any comfortable asana by placing your hands on your knees. Relax the shoulders. Keep your back straight. Your head, your neck, and your whole trunk in one line. Relax the whole body. Now become aware of breathing, the natural flow. Every single inhale and exhale. Every inhale and exhale. Watch every breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel the flow of your air at the ring of your nostrils. Just to become aware every single inhale and exhale. And now take a deep inhale. Open your mouth, exhale. Relax here. No movement, no breathing, just silence. Wait for your body to ask for second inhale. Now, take again deep inhale. Open your mouth. Full exhale. And again silence. No movement. Focus on the sensations. Focus on the state right after the technique. How body is calm and quiet. Again inhale. Open. Exhale. Again quiet. No movement, no breathing, complete silence. Observe the state, the quietness. Get ready for the next round. Again, take a deep inhale. Exhale. Stretch the mouth nicely when you breathe out. Silence. One more time. Inhale deep. Exhale, open mouth. Empty. Silence. Inhale. Exhale. Silence. Now get ready for Anulom Vilom. Close your right nostril with right hand thumb. You can place your first two finger. Bring your index and middle finger of the right hand to your third eye. Close your right nostril with right hand thumb. Take inhale from the left, deep and slow. Exhale. Close the left nostril with the ring finger and right nostril exhalation out. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. 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 Inhale right. Exhale left. Now bring your hands down, hands on your right knee. Stay silent. Observe the silent state of mind. Bring your awareness back to the breathing. Take a deep inhale again. Open your mouth, exhale. Stay quiet. Inhale again. Open mouth. Stay silent. Inhale. Exhale. Silence. Again, close your right nostril with right hand thumb. Place your index finger and middle finger at third eye. Left nostril breathing. Inhale left. Exhale right. 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 Now bring your hands down. Stay in silence. You activated the parasympathetic nervous system. You feel now calm and quiet. Stay here with this feeling. Now you are ready to rest. You are ready to relax. Join your palms together and rub your palm. Generate the heat. Now massage your forehead with your fingertips, center to side above the ear. You can rub your ears few times to the same. Now relax your hands, keep your eyes closed, lie down on your back in Shavasana. Keeping your palms facing upward, the whole body relaxed. Now the whole mind is relaxed. Stay with the feeling you have developed after the practice. Rest completely. Let the practice help you to relax the whole nervous system, help you to relax your whole physical body. You are fully ready. You are prepared. Have a beautiful rest. Silence.